Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energy towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, wow, and the future potential of this relationship. Okay, so we have Four of Wands, the Magician, Ace of Cups, the Hanged Man, Queen of Pentacles, Two of Swords, King of Cups, and Seven of Wands. So Leo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands, Seven of Wands. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Hanged Man. Okay, we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Ace of Cups and King of Cups. We have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Two of Swords. What is there? And we have earth sign as well in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so we have Four of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Magician. Your partner feels that you are their wish come true. Okay, I feel that they are manifesting you. Okay, they are dreaming about you, they are thinking about you, and plus I'm seeing some celebration is happening with you for both of you. Okay, your person wants to marry you, your person wants to be with you, your person wants to spend their life with you. Okay, they are dreaming about your and their marriage, or plus they also feel, Leo people, that you are the one who is going to offer them something. Okay, maybe you are going to propose them with this Ace of Cups. Okay, and the proposal is going to be for marriage. So some marriage thing or marriage function is happening for both of you, plus your person also adores you. You are like their wish come true. Okay, they have manifested about you. Okay, because this is the card for 1111. Okay, and with this Magician card, they know that you can make wonders. Okay, you can make magic because the card is Magician itself. So you are magician. Okay, you can turn anything into magic. Okay, like just like that. You have abilities, capabilities, you have skills, you have personality, you have charm. Okay, everyone likes you, nobody hates you, and they are pretty sure that you are definitely going to convince them to be with them, or to be with you, sorry. Okay, yeah, that's how your person is feeling about you, Leo. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. So we have the Hanged Man, Queen of Pentacles, and Two of Swords. Okay, so Leo people, you feel that your person is into some kind of a journey. Okay, because we have the Hangman card and the Two of Swords card. Okay, so they are into some kind of a spiritual journey or some kind of a journey in life. Okay, something is happening with them in life. Okay, maybe they are not ready for commitment thing. Okay, because it doesn't mean that they don't want you, but they are into some journey. You need to understand this thing. The Hangman is there, they are not taking any action towards anybody. Okay, if they are not taking any action towards you, they are not taking any action towards anybody. They are into some, they are into, they are in rest mode. Okay, they are taking their own time to know what is there for their, what is there in their life, what is their main purpose, or what is their highest purpose. They have closed their heart for everyone right now. This is the time they are into some journey of life. They have closed their heart. Okay, and they have closed their eyes too. Okay, they are calm, they are composed, they know, they have emotions. I mean, they, if they are into in any kind of journey, it doesn't mean that they don't have any emotions. They have emotions within them, but this is the time when they are taking their time to know what is their highest purpose in life. Okay, with this Hangman card. Okay, once they'll be out from this energy, the hanged man energy, they are definitely going to open their arms. Okay, and once they'll open their arms, their swords will be falling down on the floor. Okay, and they are definitely going to open their eyes, and they are definitely going to see you in front of them, that you are waiting for them. Okay, that's how you feel about them, Leo. And you see them as someone with this Queen of Pentacle, as someone who is giver, keeper, humble. I would say uh, you are kind. You are someone who, you are nurturer basically. Okay, you are a wise person. You are a very mature person. But when it comes to relationship thing, you are taking your own time. Okay, with this Two of Swords. The mutual energy between you and your person is King of Cups. Both of you have genuine emotions for each other. Both of you have genuine care towards each other. Okay, but still both of you are, it's, I feel that it's your person who is not choosing to, I mean, who is not looking at right in your eyes. Okay, they have emotions for you. I said they have emotions. Maybe they are going through some kind of a journey, but still they have emotions in their heart. But this is the time when they are not seeing you, but they have emotions for you. They are not looking in front of you, they are not looking into your eyes, but they have emotions for you. Okay, and when the time will be right, they are definitely going to offer you this cup. Okay, so the future potential of this reading or this relationship is Seven of Wands. Okay, so I feel that it's your person who is going to choose you. It's you, okay, who's going to choose you in future. Okay, because you are someone who is there, I mean, you are like their wish come true. Okay, with this Four of Wands. And I feel that in future they are going to have lot many options in their life. Okay, in terms of love and relationship and affection and emotion, but I'm seeing that they are going to choose you with this wand. Okay, Leo. So yeah, so that was the reading for my Leo viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, Leo people, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.